Welcome to Dialogue Dreams.
Hi there, I'm Nika. What's your name?
Hello, Nika. I'm John. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, John. Are you from around here?
No. I'm from a different city. I'm just visiting for a few days. How about you?
I live in this city. I take this bus to work every day. What brings you here?
I'm here for a business meeting. What do you do for work?
I work in a bookstore. I love books. What about you? What's your job?
I work in a big office. I do computer stuff, like typing and talking to people on the phone.
That sounds interesting. Do you like your job?
It's okay. I wish I had more free time, though. What do you like to do in your free time?
I like reading books, of course. I also enjoy going for walks in the park. And watching movies. How about you?
I like to watch sports on TV. And play video games. It's relaxing.
Oh, that sounds fun. But I am not very good at video games.
That's okay, Nika. It's just for fun. Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I like painting and drawing. It's a nice way to relax after a long day at work.
That's cool. You must be creative. I'm not good at art. But I appreciate it.
Thanks, John. So, what do you do for fun with your friends?
I like going to the movies with my friends. And sometimes we play basketball.
Nice. I sometimes have coffee with my friends. And we chat for hours.
Coffee and good conversations, that sounds great. Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cute cat named Whiskers. Do you like animals?
I do. I have a dog named Max. He's very friendly and loves to play.
It's nice talking to you, John. Maybe we can chat more on the bus tomorrow.
I would like that, Nika. Have a great day at work.
You too.
The next conversation is, a daughter returns to her parents' home, after a long time from her in-laws.
Mom. It feels so good to be back home, after such a long time.
I missed you so much. How was your time at your in-laws' house?
It was good. But I missed you and our home a lot. It's nice to be here again.
I'm glad you're back. Tell me, how is everything at your in-laws' place?
Everything is fine there. They are kind and took good care of me. But I missed your cooking.
Well, I made your favorite dinner tonight. Let's eat together.
That sounds wonderful, Mom. I've missed your cooking so much.
I've missed cooking for you, dear. How is your husband?
He is good, Mom. We are both doing well.
I'm happy to hear that. Have you been keeping in touch with your new friends?
Yes, Mom. I have made some new friends there. But no one can replace you.
You are so sweet, my child. I have missed our late-night chats like this.
Me too, Mom. It's nice to sit in our room and talk again.
Anything new or exciting happening in your life?
Not much. Just the usual routine. I did start reading a new book.
That's great. What's the book about?
It's a love story. I know you love those kinds of books.
I do. Maybe you can lend it to me when you are done.
Of course, Mom. I would love to share it with you.
It's getting late, dear. Are you feeling tired after your journey?
A little, but I'm so happy to be back. I will go to sleep soon.
Sweet dreams, my love. I'm just happy to have you home.
Thank you, Mom. Good night.
So, did you like this conversation? I'm sure you did. And please remember to click the like button on this video. And subscribe to my channel.
Dad, can I have some money?
Money again? I just gave you some a few days ago. What happened to it?
I spent it, Dad. But now, all my friends are planning a trip. And I want to go too.
You spent all that money so quickly? I told you to be careful with it.
Please, Papa, it's a special trip with my friends. I don't want to miss out.
No. I won't give you a single penny more. You need to learn to manage your money.
But, Dad.
No buts, young man. You won't be going on that trip. It's important to understand the value of money.
Hello, it's me.
Hey! What's up?
I wanted to talk to you about the trip. My dad won't give me any money. So I can't go with you guys.
Really? That's too bad.
Yeah, I know. I'm really sorry.
We were excited about having you here. It won't be as good without you.
I want to come. But my dad is mad because I used up the money he gave me too fast.
I see. Well, maybe next time then.
Yeah, hopefully. Have an amazing trip without me, okay?
We will try. But it won't be as fun without you. Take care. And we will tell you all about it when we get back.
Thanks, that means a lot. Have a great time and stay safe.
You too. Bye.
Hi. I'm here for a health checkup.
Hello. Sure, we can help with that. Do you have an appointment?
No, I don't. Can I make one for today?
Of course. Let me check. Yes, we have an opening in an hour. Your name, please.
It's Aria Smith.
Great, Aria. I have scheduled your appointment. Please have a seat. And the nurse will call you soon.
Thank you.
Excuse me. Are you Aria Smith?
Yes. I am.
I'm Nurse Jane. Follow me, please.
Good afternoon. I'm Dr. Davis. How are you feeling today?
Hi, Dr. Davis. I'm good, thank you.
What brings you in for a checkup today, Aria?
I just wanted to make sure everything is okay, doctor.
That's responsible of you. Now I will check your blood pressure. Your blood pressure looks normal. Next, I will listen to your heart and lungs. Your heart and lungs sound healthy. Now, can you open your mouth? I will check your throat. Everything looks good so far. We will take some blood for tests. It will be quick.
Thank you, doctor.
Honey, have you thought about Sarah's birthday party? It's coming up soon.
Yep, I have been thinking. We should invite her friends and make it special.
Good idea. Let's invite Emily and Tom, her best friends.
Right. And also her cousin Jake. Sarah likes him a lot.
Don't forget Grandma and Grandpa. Sarah loves when they visit.
True, we should invite them too. What about decorations? Should we pick a theme?
How about a princess theme? Sarah loves princesses. And we can use balloons and colorful stuff.
Sounds good. I will make her favorite chocolate cake. She will be so happy.
If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.